Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Decor Obsession. Hope you are all well. You will find different designs of wall clock in this video. The designs of wall clock looking so beautiful and nice. This video contains beautiful designs of wall clock for your living room and room decor. The designs of wall clock I have added to my video are very trendy these days. These designs looking so beautiful and nice. If you like my video, please let me know in the comment box. If you are new to my channel, be sure to press the bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Please watch this video at the end. The design is so simple and nice because everyone wants to decor your home with beautiful things. Then this video will be very beneficial for you. You get different ideas from this video for your wall clock designing. Please watch this video at the end and share your friends and family members. Please watch, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Take care of yourself and take care of your beloved ones. Thank you so much.